Hi everyone, so we've got another Toyota GR Yaris in with us. We've been doing these mods and remaps for quite some time now. We've done countless GR Yarises now. Parts are going to be fitting to this car, the sweet spot. This car has turned up pretty much standard. It's just got a Ecutek resonated exhaust, these lovely Bride carbon backed bucket seats fitted, and we're going to be fitting a whole load of parts to it. So on the power side of things, we're going to be fitting an E-Venturi carbon intake kit, which these normally give about 10 to 15 horsepower over the standard airbox. And from all our dyno tests we've done on all the different cars, this is the only intake kit we've found that actually increases the power. All the other ones we've ever tried, they don't really make any power difference. All they do is make a bit of noise. It's fine if you like that, but if you really want to make some power, this is the intake kit to go for. We're also fitting a Turbo Smart blow-off valve. Again, that's just for noise. It sounds really cool when you let off the throttle. We're fitting an Ecutek intercooler, which is much bigger than the standard cooler, so it keeps the air temperatures more stable. We're fitting one of our GPF delete pipes. They normally give about 5 horsepower roughly at this power level. Then we're going to be remapping the ECU using the Ecutek software. It's also in for a few other bits as well. It's having an SW Motorsport rear seat delete along with the rear bolting cage section. It's having eye-back springs, eye-back wheel spacers, and a set of Cusco anti-roll bars. So that combination of the anti-roll bars and the springs really improves the handling, just tightens everything up, stops it rolling around quite as much as it does from standard. And all the cars we fitted these to, everyone loves it. Also going to be fitting a Cooler Works gear shifter as well. It's like a quick shift, so it really tightens up the way the gear lever works. Another highly recommended product. Also in the bonnet we fit one of our carbon engine covers, which works perfectly with the E-Venturi, and also a SW Motorsport strut brakes on the front too. Okay, so that's the baseline power figure done. So it's making 226 wheel horsepower, which is 274 horsepower at the flywheel. So that's pretty much what we see with these mods, with a standard map on it still. So that's got the E-Venturi intake. They normally add about 10 to 15 horsepower. The Ecutek intercooler, that just keeps the air temps a little bit cooler than the standard cooler would do, and stops the temperatures rising so much. And the GPF pipe normally has about 5 horsepower. That's normally what we see with these mods, about the 270, 275 brake horsepower mark. That's all looking good, so we're going to get the Ecutek loaded on now and do our custom map and show you the differences it makes. Okay, that's all done. Power's jumped up to 265 wheel horsepower, which is 320 horsepower at the crank. So about a 30 horsepower gain, which is again is bang on what we normally see on these, about a 10% horsepower gain from the remap. So the power has gone from about 260, which is a standard car, to 320 horsepower with these mods. So we also added on the rolling anti-lag and the flat foot shifting, which comes part of the Ecutek tuning software. So the flat foot shifting is basically holding your foot flat down on the accelerator, so you haven't got to let off the throttle while changing gear, which should make it faster. Rolling anti-lag, you get the desired RPM point, so say 4,500 revs. Hold down the set button, floor the accelerator, it'll build boost, let go of the set button, and you'll have instant power. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like your GR Yaris tune, please get in touch and please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.